baby number 2.
Hello guys! Pinapakilala ko pala sa inyo ang aking bridesmaid!
Congratulations, Chi and Barms.
Finally, this is the day.
I love you both.
My love, today I finally get to marry the woman who somehow became my best friend, my favorite person, my personal comedian, and the only person I know who can start a conversation.
Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. This side of you leaves me weak.
Doc Chi and Barm, kayong dalawa ay nandito ngayon sa araw na ito. Ito ay magsisilbing dakilang souvenir sa bawat isa sa inyo.
Can't take my eyes off you.
Always remember that Giselle and I, as your Ninong and Nina, are always here for your guidance.
From the moment I met you, I knew life will never be boring. You can turn a simple 5-minute story into a full-length movie, complete with sound effect, plot twists, and characters I somehow have never met, and honestly, I wouldn't have any other way.
Noon, akala ko ang wagas na pag-ibig ay sa nobela lang matatagpuan na para bang kahirap na paniwala. Ikaw pala ang hinihintay kong pangarap. Ngayong kapiling ka at tayo'y isa, hindi ko hahayaan na sa atin ay may hahadlang. Actually, yung relationship namin ni Chi it's literally an answered prayer. So, I thought hindi siya mangyayari sa life ko.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true.
Before ko siya makilala, ang dami, alam to ng ibang tao. Yung naging roller coaster yung life ko. Para ano na ako dun, sir, hopeless na ako noon. Para feeling ko, every time kasi may makikilala ako, pag nakita yung totoo ugali, parang hindi sila magpo-push through. So, nung nakilala ko si Chi, lahat tinanggap niya about sa akin and wala siyang binago sa akin.
And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever.
Ganda.
Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs
Alam mo naman, ako yung naging instrumento para magtagpo ang inyong mga landas. And now, nandito na tayo sa Tagaytay. Layo nung biniyahe natin from Bicol, Tarlac, sa Tagaytay.
I'm so glad I found you.
And every time noon, nakinakausap ako ng lola ko, sinasabi niya na, si Chi, hulog ng langit sa'yo. Doon ko talaga na-realize na yes, indeed, he is hulog ng langit.
Madali ang magmahal,
madali ang umibig. Ngunit sabi nga, mahirap kung paano ito i-maintain.
Sir, kilala ko siya, nonchalant. Baka this time around, mag-react na siya.
If we hold to hold,
This is it.
and we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still love each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Tunay ngang ang araw na ito ay habang buhay ninyong babalik-balikan sa inyong magkasamang pagtanda.
Today I choose you. Tomorrow I will choose you again. And for the rest of my life, I will keep choosing you. I love you forever. Yes.